had this box since my birthday, to be honest with you guys. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is the Posh Girls Club planner. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to voiceover so that I can be talking about it and showing you guys, because when I'm trying to talk and read and do all these things, I get too flustered. So thumbs up the video, you guys, if you like the brushes and you definitely want to know how to win one. So what I'm going to do is tell you guys a little bit about Tori and this planner. So Tori, she is phenomenal, okay? When I tell you phenomenal, I mean she's like thebomb.com. Like, she's worked with really big brands like DVF, OWN, Project Runway. She's also worked with a bunch of celebrities like Rihanna, Taylor Swift, Nene Leakes, Khloe Kardashian. Like, the list goes on, you guys. Like, she's the real deal Holyfield, okay? And so she has created this awesome planner to help aspiring entrepreneurs keep our lives in check, okay? And this could not have come at a better time. So I'm just quickly showing you a little bit of what comes in the book. I think there's a larger version on the website, so definitely check that out. But you guys, this seriously could not have come at a better time for me, because I really want to revamp my YouTube, and I feel like using this planner is really going to keep me focused. I love how it has the different things that you can do to create your business, as far as who you are as a brand, the color scheme you want for your brand, who your target audience is, what are your weekly goals, your monthly goals, your yearly goals, as you see me flipping through these pages. So this is an awesome planner if you are someone who struggles with staying focused. Definitely pick this up. But the one thing that I noticed that I really liked is that when you break down your day, it's broken down into sections. So in the planner, it has what's your to-do list, and then it breaks down when you're going to actually do those things throughout the day. I don't know why the screen flipped, but I'm just showing you what I'm talking about right there. So I just really like this book, and I highly recommend you guys get this, especially if you're trying to be a YouTuber, like I said, or any type of business. This is really good staple item to have in your life. So anyway, if you want to hear more about